Antonyms, opposites in English, Urdu and Hindi. Lesson number 9 by I. Fechner. Hilly, flat. Pahadi, flat. Hilly, pahadi, flat, flat. To hit, to miss. Marna, खो देना. To hit, marna. To miss, खो देना. Hopeful, desperate, hopeless. पुरुमीद, खतरनाक, नाउमीद. Hopeful, पुरुमीद, desperate, hopeless, खतरनाक, नाउमीद. Hopeless, hopeful, नाउमीद, पुरुमीद. Hopeless, नाउमीद. Hopeful, पुरुमीद. Horizontal, vertical. Ufki, amudi. Horizontal, ufki. Vertical, amudi. Host, guest, visitor. Mezban, mehman. Host, mezban. Guest, visitor, mehman. Hot, cold. Garam, sard. Hot, garam. Cold, sard. Huge, tiny. बहुत बड़ा, बहुत छोटा. Huge, बहुत बड़ा. Tiny, बहुत छोटा. Human, animal. इंसान, जानवर. Human, इंसान. Animal, जानवर. Humane, cruel. इंसानी, जालिमाना. Humane, इंसानी. Cruel, जालिमाना. Humid, dry. Numb, खुश्क. Humid, numb, dry, खुश्क. Hungry, thirsty. भूखा, प्यासा. Hungry, भूखा, thirsty, प्यासा. Husband, wife. शौहर, बीवी. Husband, शौहर. Wife, बीवी. In front of, back, behind. सामने, पीछे. In front of, सामने. Back, behind, पीछे. To ignore, to notice. नजर अंदाज करना, नोट करना. To ignore, नजर अंदाज करना. To notice, नोट करना. Ill, healthy, well. बीमार, सेहतमंद, ठीक. Ill, बीमार. Healthy, well. सेहतमंद, ठीक. To immigrate, to emigrate. बाहर जाना, अंदर आना. To immigrate, बाहर जाना. To emigrate, अंदर आना. Immigration, emigration. Immigration, emigration. Immigration, immigration. Emigration, emigration. Import, export. Daramad, baramad. Import, daramad. Export, baramad. In, out. Andar, bahir. In, andar. Out, bahir. To include, to exclude. शामिल करना, खारिज करना. To include, शामिल करना. To exclude, खारिज करना. To increase, to reduce. इजाफा करना, कम करना. To increase, इजाफा करना. To reduce, कम करना. Innocent, guilty. मासूम, मुजरिम. Innocent, मासूम, guilty, मुजरिम. Inside, outside. अंदर, बाहर. Inside, अंदर, outside, बाहर. Insult, compliment. बेइज्जती, तारीफ. Insult, बेइज्जती, compliment, तारीफ. Intelligent, silly, stupid. ज़हीन, बेवकूफ. Intelligent, ज़हीन. Silly, stupid, बेवकूफ. Intentional, accidental. जानबूझकर, हादसाती. Intentional, जानबूझकर. Accidental, हादसाती. Interested, bored. दिलचस्प, bore. Interested, दिलचस्पी. Bored, bore. Interesting, boring, dull. दिलचस्प, boring, सुस्त. Interesting, दिलचस्प. Boring, dull, boring, सुस्त. To interrupt, to continue. दखल अंदाजी करना, जारी रखना. To interrupt, दखल अंदाजी करना. To continue, जारी रखना. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you want to ask a question or want to give a comment, then please use the comment section below. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.